Why do I think a 2-day course is an optimal learning format? I think it is truly immersive. Spending 2 days totally invested in a topic with a stable group of people helps you to maintain continuity of thought and follow a thread through while maintaining coherence. This is really important when we're challenging a worldview or building new skills. Now, I am not suggesting that following up coaching or discussions afterwards would not add even further value. I agree, it will. However, to kickstart that learning process, to kickstart that reframing of your worldview, to really align your values, beliefs, and understandings towards this new bit of learning, to assimilate it into yourself, that 2-day period is optimal. My concern, and we don't have the data in it, my concern with a longer running program is it may be more superficial. Individuals may be able to take to things more strongly, but there is also the chance that your cohort will change, because over 8 weeks or 4 weeks or whatever, people might not be able to make it because of illness or whatever. The second thing is that over that time, you might not have sufficient capacity, freedom, to be able to reflect on various items that we can have in that space of 2 continuous days. So in summary, I think a 2-day in-depth submersion into a topic is an ideal way to quickly absorb things that maximizes your time investment. And then that will allow you to unpack the deep learning in the 2 weeks or so following after those 2 weeks, after those 2 days.